KIDSQUAD, we are your best friends in learning. So, as today is our first episode, I am going to introduce myself. My name is Farah Wahida Zulkifli and you can call me as Farah.
And I am Yumna, and we are your friends who will share many amazing things about food. We hope that we will have so much fun together. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and comment what you think about our channel.
So today we are going to start our first episode with a few edible experiments that you can do at home. So our first experiment today is about edible slime. Have you ever played with slime? It feels weird, right? Like squishy and sticky. But fret not, in this episode the slime, you can even eat it. So KIDSQUAD, these are the few ingredients that we need to make edible slime. So first, we need 2 big handfuls of marshmallows, a bowl of corn flour, and food coloring. Throughout this experiment, I will wear hand gloves to make sure that safety and cleanliness will be our priority. So now, I will move these marshmallows into the bowl. So next is, I am going to put this bowl of marshmallow into the microwave for about 1 minute to make it heat so that the consistency of the marshmallow will be very smooth and sticky. Before that, it tastes good. After 1 minute in the microwave, the marshmallow turns out to be very sticky and also a bit hard. So I continue to stir it. Then I added 2 tablespoons of corn flour into the marshmallows to make the consistency become more smooth. I transferred the heated marshmallow onto the tray and continue kneading it. However, as you can see, as I kneaded it, the consistency of the marshmallow was not as I expected it to be, but it's okay. In experiments, sometimes we have to try and error to get what we desire. So now I put the marshmallow into the microwave for just about 30 seconds and you can see the consistency is like what I expected it to be. The texture of the marshmallow is very slimy and smooth this time. Yay! We did it, KIDSQUAD! I hope you like it!
So slime and it is edible. Farah here again. So today I'm going to make a lemonade. I'm sure that you like sweet and sour juice, right? So what we're going to do here is one of your favorite drink. It is very easy. So come here, let me show you the ingredients. We need 2 lemons, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of baking soda, cold water, ice, and also jar and glass. I'm sure that you can get all of these ingredients in your kitchen, right? So it's easy peasy lemon squeezy. Let us start with squeezing the lemon. So this is how I do it. We cut it into 4 sides. We take each 4 sides of the lemon and squeeze it to ensure that we get all of the juices. Now, so this is the lemon juice. Going to pour it in here. water in here. So we use a 1-to-1 ratio. If we have 1 cup of lemon juice, then I'm going to pour also 1 cup of cold water. 1 tablespoon of sugar and stir it. You can adjust it pure like this. If you prefer it to be more sweet, you can add more sugar.
Then we put 1 tablespoon of baking soda into our lemonade and stir it. After putting baking soda, it becomes very fizzy and bubbly lemonade.
You know how it tastes like? It tastes like soda. Like a lot of, like it pops in your mouth, okay? KIDSQUAD, I'm going to explain why our lemonade here is bubbly. So lemon is acidic and baking soda is alkaline, and when those two mix together, it reacted and produced carbon dioxide, which explains the bubbles in our lemonade. So let me have a sip of it and quench my thirst. So KIDSQUAD, you need to try this at your home now. Bye! Thank you, that's all from me, Farah. And next, you can see the experiment made by Yomna. See you again!
The weather is too hot today. I'm sweating, but what should I do? I have an idea. Let's make ice cream.
This easy hack gives you DIY ice cream in a matter of minutes. You'll be eating ice cream without an ice cream maker. Now let's look at the ingredients. You will need half a cup of milk, half a cup of whipped cream, quarter a cup of sugar, half teaspoon of vanilla extract or any of your favorite extract, and 1 cup of salt. Half a cup of milk, half a cup of cream, quarter a cup of sugar, half a teaspoon of vanilla extract or any of your favorite extract, and then mix them well. You could also choose to add chocolate milk or strawberry milk, or if you're lactose intolerant, you can add soya milk, almond milk, or any milk that you want. Now add the mixture to a zipper bag. Make sure it's good quality or else it's gonna spill and create a mess. Now for the ice cream maker, you're gonna need another zipper bag that's gonna have a handful of ice and salt. Now you're gonna put the mixture inside this zipper bag. And you're gonna grab a towel. Now we're gonna put the mixture inside another zipper bag, and then we're gonna grab a towel. Part, we're gonna wrap the zipper bag in a towel, and then we're gonna shake this for 5 minutes. Now after 5 minutes of shaking, you have your ice cream. Now, how does milk turn into ice cream within 5 minutes? It's because of the rock salt. Rock salt has the ability to lower the degree of ice to a freezing point, which causes the milk to turn into ice cream. And thus you have your delicious ice cream within 5 minutes at your home. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to try the experiment at home. We will see you next episode of Kids Squad. Bye!